ARTUZ marks International Day to Protect Education from Attack. The 10th of September 2025, by Change Radio reporter, the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, ARTUZ. Today joined the world in observing the International Day to protect education from attack, highlighting the ongoing threats to learning both globally and locally. Globally, attacks on schools have surged, with over 6,000 reported incidents between 2022 and 2023, a 44% increase. Educators and learners in conflict zones, such as the Democratic Republic of Congo, Sudan, Nigeria, and Somalia, continue to face violence, abduction, and death. Though Zimbabwe is not at war, ARTUZ says local schools face their own forms of attack. These include political interference, teachers forced to flee persecution, learners dragged into political events, and schools used for partisan purposes. Chronic underfunding and low teacher salaries, ARTUZ argues, further undermine the education system. In a statement, ARTUZ called on the Zimbabwean government to fully honor the constitutional mandate of free, compulsory, quality education, pay teachers a living wage of USD $1,260, guarantee safe learning environments by ending political interference, stop the misuse of school facilities for political purposes, respect teachers' rights to organize and work without fear. ARTUZ continues to advance its #Safe Schools campaign, urging that schools remain strictly educational spaces. An attack on education is an attack on our children's future, the union said.